down in Gilbert, where desert skies are wide. There's a place in a cul-de-sac where comfort resides. One story of beauty with space all around. A great room floor plan where laughter is found. Flamingo Court, it's calling your name. A home for the moments, the joy and the game. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's more than just walls. It's where love gathers strong, where the sunlight falls. The kitchen shines bright with granite in view. Cabinet stylish, stainless steel like new. Custom lights glowing, a host perfect dream. Every dinner feels special, every night has a gleam. Flamingo Court, it's calling your name. A home for the moments, the joy and the game. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's more than just walls. It's where love gathers strong, where the sunlight falls. Step out back where the good times begin. Covered patio shade and a pudding green spin. Synthetic turf shining, pavers set just right. It's a backyard for mornings, for stars in the night. Flamingo Court, your story starts here. A place full of comfort, connection and cheer. From the great